Is Itenso crashing because of the Itenso System Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we begin the manual steps for Itenso System Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Itenso System Library, a specialized localized system module developed for the Itenso scheduling and time tracking software suite. It manages localized data synchronization and low-level system hooks for specialized enterprise reporting. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Since Itenso System Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Itenso toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Itenso System Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Itenso System Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If you're addressing Itenso System Library inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Itenso System Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.